Hi amazing people and welcome again in this series of the video, and this series of video is based on the that Indian economy is going to achieve going to catch $5 trillion by 2025. What is your due? What is your allocations? It is asking very directly question on you, and how much you get maximize benefit of this expansion of the Indian economics within the 5 years. This is a very personal questions where you can see yourself. See, I am asking the very three questions, very challenging questions, and this is a very easy questions, but sometimes you know very hard to understand. Yeah, get the answer of these questions. Question is number one: where you stand right now. Number two, where you can see yourself after 5 years. Third, what is stopping you to reach on that place. My dear friend, this is the basic three questions. Where you stand right now. It is very easy question, but it will take courage to know, because sometimes this is the human tendency, this is the human mind, that we are living in this problem. We are living in the dilemma of the some illusions, and we do not know this is the actual problem, because living in the comfort zones, dealing with the same situations, and do not want to go out of the comfort zones, and that's why it is very hard to know where you stand. And what is the most important thing is that what you're the personality type. Personality type is telling about your everything, about your behavior, about your actionable point, about your skill, how can you deal with your cope up situations, what is your career value, what is your personal mission statement. Second question I am the asking, that where you see yourself after 5 years. Begin with the end of the mind. After 5 year, 10 year, where you can see yourself in terms of your financial position, in terms of the being the good society, good citizens of the society, being the good parent, being the good spouse, going the good colleague in the corporate world. It is not only for the your wealth. In every corner you have to set up some like benchmark. You have to have some blueprint about the everything. Third basic question is that what is stopping you to moving there. It means that suppose after 5 years you want to see, I need 5 crore in my bank balance, and this is your blueprint. And how you will achieve, what is stopping you, means that to reaching there you should know where you stand, where you want to see, you realize, and reaching on that 5 crore in your bank account. And it means, what is the means obstacles, what is mean like the difficulty to reach there. You have to know, you have to understand. One thing is that it is very powerful statement. Your income will not far exceed from your personal development. Sometime it may be the lucky charms. It means that आदमी अपनी औकात से ज़्यादा पैसा नहीं कमाता है. Your income will not far exceed from your personal statement, personal development. Sometimes it may be the lucky charms. My dear friend, so in this statement it is telling that what is stopping you to reach there. First of that, it may be that you are facing a lot of challenge, because there is some flow of work. Flow of work is telling that if you want to go out of comfort zone, if you want to go in the unknown territory, in the unknown territory there is a lot of challenging, a lot of task which you do not know. So suppose you go in the unknown territory, then there is some challenge like this challenge, and for getting this challenge, for getting this task, you have little skills like that way. So it is not balancing, and you will not succeed. You will not achieve your journey. So what you will do? You will do that. You will enhance your skill on that level. It should be the in that level. It should be the balance with your challenge with your skills. Then it is very easy to unlock your value, unlock your challenge, and you will get the result. Sometimes it is very important that what you believe is the result of what you are thinking. Suppose it is direct or correlated with your belief and the belief in the result. Suppose that if you have believed that it is very hard to earn money, and this belief is common for the all one, 90% people have the same belief. It is very hard to earn money because living in the society, and it has been conditioned in which way that this condition by the this conditioning, it is contributed by the our parent, our education systems, our teachers, our media, our televisions, that we are living in this like the limiting self belief, like that we come to know from our parent that it is very hard to earn money. Money doesn't grow in the tree. You know how I earn money, what is difficulty I face. Be living in the limited. Do not means fly in the sky. You should know what your limitations. So it is like the limiting, and from the childhood we develop this belief that it is very hard to earn money. One mind you are telling that I have to have 5 crores amount in the bank balance after 25 years, and same time you are thinking that it is very hard to money. How you will do? You never earn the money. What you have to do? You cannot change that your personal mission statement about the how much you need. What you have to do, that you have to change your belief, and change is your belief is not very easy. The belief, it is due to your habit. Once you develop the habit, it cannot be erased, but it can be replaced. There is some methodology, some techniques which we have to work on that part. Sometimes what I believe, that we believe that it is very easy to earn money, but sometimes we do not have the result. We do not have some time of the fund in the my bank account, but you are believe, it means that it is very easy to go in the process to earn money. Because if you have set up of the 5 crores in the your account, so in this way that you know what is stopping you. So you will because your belief is supporting with you. And second is that your identifications, your wish, your niche area, from where you want to work, from which area you want to work. And second thing is that you develop your skills. And skill and believing, this is like the internal things. See, succeed in the outer side, it will be the reflect in the later, but success in the inner side, it is very more important. So it means that your believing system is working. You develop the new skill, new capability to know your challenge. You make the strategy of your plan, where you have to go. You find the obstacles, distractions, but you have to go, because you should know that failure is the first chapter after the succeed. So there is a lot of factors which is make impact of the achieving that, but we should very strong in the our internal to achieve something. So my dear friend, in the next video we will talk about your your journey in the corporate world, being the employee in working in some company, how can you enhance your value, how you what is should be your personal mission statement, we will discuss on that video. Thank you very much.